हेलो बच्चों, एक बार फिर से आप सभी का अपने चैनल इंटेंसिव ट्यूटोरियल में स्वागत है। और मैं किरण सिन्हा मैम, और हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं स्टैंडर्ड 7 साइंस चैप्टर एसिड बेस एंड सॉल्ट। आज पार्ट 5 में वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट प्रिपरेशन एंड प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ सॉल्ट। इसके पहले पार्ट 4 में वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड यूजेज ऑफ एसिड एंड बेस। एक सजेशन है कि अगर आप लोग पार्ट 1, 2, 3, 4 नहीं देखे हो तो इस पार्ट को देखने से पहले आई विल सजेस्ट यू कि यू गो थ्रू पार्ट 1, 2, 3 एंड 4 so that you can understand the chapter in the sequence. So let us start today's topic, preparation and properties of salt. So in this chapter, first we will discuss what is salt, how it is formed, then how are salt named, it means naming of salt कैसे हम लोग करते हैं. Next, what are the properties of salt, and in the last, uses of salt. So first let us start what is salt. Listen student, salt is a chemical compound which is formed when acid reacts with base. As for example, when calcium hydroxide, it reacts with hydrochloric acid, it gives calcium chloride and water. So here calcium chloride is salt. When copper oxide or copper hydroxide, which is the base, it reacts with sulfuric acid, which is acid, it gives copper sulfate and water. So in this example, copper sulfate is salt, which is formed when base reacts with acid. So let us see how salt is formed. Okay, so salt is formed by different method. Number 1, it can be prepared by neutralization reaction in which acid react with base. Number 2, when acid react with active metal. Number 3, when acid reacts with vegetable oil and caustic soda. It is a special type of the chemical reaction used to make sodium salt of fatty acid. As for example, soap can be prepared by boiling vegetable oil, or you can say normal animal fat with caustic soda. Okay, so let us see how salt is prepared by neutralization reaction. So for the neutralization reaction, we will consider one of the example, reaction between HCl and NaOH. Got it? So when HCl is added to the aqueous solution, or you can say when HCl molecule is added to water, it forms hydrogen ion and chloride ion. When sodium hydroxide NaOH is added to water, it forms sodium ion as positive ion and hydroxyl ion as negative ion. Got it? And during the neutralization, what will happen? Hydrogen ion of acid and hydroxyl ion of base combine together to form water molecule, and sodium ion of base combine with chloride ion of acid to form sodium chloride salt. So in this way, by exchanging the radical, salt is formed. So in sodium chloride, sodium is the basic radical which is contributed by the base, and chloride is the acidic radical which is contributed by the acid. Got it? So every salt have basic radical and acidic radical. Basic radical is metallic radical, metal part, or ammonium radical. Ammonium is also a basic radical, and other part is acidic radical which is coming from the acid. Got it? Let us see few more examples. So one more example, when nitric acid reacts with potassium hydroxide, nitric acid is acid, potassium hydroxide is a base. So when nitric acid react with potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium nitrate and water. Potassium nitrate is the salt in which potassium is the basic radical and nitrate is the acidic radical. Let us see one more example. Hydrogen bromide, it is an acid. When reacts with potassium hydroxide, that is a base, or you can say alkali. When they react together, they form potassium bromide, that is the salt, and water. Got it? So when hydrogen bromide react with potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium bromide and water. So potassium bromide is salt, in which potassium is basic radical and bromide is acidic radical. Now come to preparation of salt by reaction between acid and metal. So we have already studied that a metal displaces hydrogen, active metal displaces hydrogen from an acid to form salt. Because all acid contains hydrogen atom or hydrogen atoms, sometimes acid contains more than one hydrogen atom, as for example in sulfuric acid it contains 2 hydrogen atom, है ना. So dilute acid when react with some metal, active metal, to form salt and hydrogen gas. So metal displaces hydrogen atom from the acid to form salt. So in the example you can see when magnesium reacts with hydrochloric acid, it displaces the hydrogen from hydrochloric acid and forms magnesium chloride, and hydrogen is liberated in the form of gas. In the same way, aluminum forms aluminum chloride and hydrogen is liberated. In the same way, zinc reacts with hydrochloric acid to give zinc chloride as a salt, and hydrogen gas is liberated. Now come to reaction between vegetable oil and sodium hydroxide, or you can say caustic soda. When fat is heated with a strong base like NaOH or KOH, है ना, सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, it gives glycerol and a type of salt, that is sodium salt of the fatty acid. Sodium salt of fatty acid is also called soap that we are using, and the process is called soapnification. Chemical reaction between oil and caustic soda, when these two things are boiled together, they form sodium salt of fatty acid, that is called soap, and glycerol. Okay, so the reaction between vegetable oil and sodium hydroxide solution is exothermic in nature because heat is liberated. During the reaction, the white suspension formed is made up of due to soap and glycerol. So you can notice one thing very clear from these all discussion, that the salt is formed by replacing the hydrogen in an acid by metal atom. So we can define the salt in one more another way, that salt is a chemical compound formed by replacing hydrogen of an acid by a metal. And in ammonium salt, hydrogen atom of the acid is replaced by ammonium ion. Got it? Suppose ammonium chloride. So ammonium chloride salt is formed when hydrogen of hydrochloric acid is replaced by ammonium ion. Got it? Now come to naming of salt. So name of salt derived from the name of metal that is contributed by base, and the acid radical that is contributed by the acid. So these two parts always constitute the name of salt, that is basic radical comes from the base, that is metallic part, and the acidic radical that comes from the acid, that is acidic part. Suppose you have to write the name of the given compound Na2SO4. So how you will write the name? So it is very simple. First you identify the metallic part that is contributed by the base. So in this case the metallic part is Na, that is sodium. So first part is sodium and the second part is contributed by the acid. So in this case the second part is SO4 and it is contributed by sulfuric acid. So salt of sulfuric acid is called sulfate. So second part SO4 is sulfate. So the name of the salt Na2SO4 is sodium sulfate. Got it? Let us find few more examples. As for example, CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, CaCO3, that is calcium carbonate, NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. So it is very clear that the salt of sulfuric acid is called sulfate salt. Carbonates are the salt of carbonic acid. In the same way, salt of HCl is chloride salt. The salt of nitric acid is nitrate salt. Salt of acetic acid is acetate salt. Okay. Now come to properties of salt. Most of the salts are solid. They have high melting and boiling point. Maximum salts are soluble in water, but all salts you cannot say. All salts are not soluble. Most of the salts are soluble in water, but calcium sulfate, lead sulfate, aluminum sulfate, these are insoluble. Okay now. So aqueous solution of salt, it conducts electricity, so they are good electrolyte. Salt solution may be acidic, may be basic, or may be neutral. If salt is formed by complete neutralization, then the solution is neutral. If incomplete neutralization, then the solution may be acidic or basic in nature. Salts are useful to us in many ways. So let us see what is the use of some common salts. So first I am taking sodium chloride. Formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Common name is common salt. Used in cooking of food. It is used as preservative. It is also used in curing meat and fish. In manufacturing washing soda, baking soda, casting soda. Got it? Next is sodium bicarbonate. The common name is baking soda. Formula NaHCO3, and it is used in bakery industry, that is in baking of bread and cakes. It is used in medicine as well as in fire extinguisher. Next salt is potassium nitrate. Common name is niter. Formula KNO3. It is used in manufacture of gunpowder, in making of fireworks, in glass industry, and also used as a fertilizer. Next is potash alum. Common name is fitkiri. It is white color, solid. Formula is K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 whole 3 dot 24 H2O, and it is used in loading during the purification of water. It helps in fast sedimentation of suspended impurities. Next is hydrated copper sulfate. कॉमन नेम ब्लू विट्रॉल. ठीक है, हम लोग इसको कॉपर सल्फेट पेंटाहाइड्रेट भी बोलते हैं बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स 5 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. क्लियर? सो केमिकल फॉर्मूला इज CuSO4 डॉट 5H2O. ठीक है, used as fungicides and it is also used in electroplating. The next compound is silver nitrate. Chemical formula AgNO3. Clear? It is less sensitive to light. Once it was called lunar caustic because silver was called Luna by the ancient alchemist who associated silver with the moon. That's why it was called lunar caustic. Got it? So common name is lunar caustic and used in photography.